We begin tonight with a cold case out of California City. 10 years later, the person arrested and charged in connection with the 2012 disappearance of a California City woman, Desiree Thompson, faced a judge for the first time today. 23 ABC's Taylor Levesque joins us in studio with more on the plea entered in court and what the judge decided. Taylor.
Jose Lara pleaded not guilty to a first-degree murder charge. The judge also found him to be a significant danger to the public and denied bail. Lara was arrested in March after authorities found human remains at a house Lara used to live at during the time of Thompson's disappearance. The remains have not yet been identified by the coroner, but the district attorney's office says there is enough evidence to charge Lara in connection to the crime.
The detectives did tell me that her nor her husband knew this person.
Sherry Smith says September 7th, 2012 was the last time anyone saw or heard from her daughter, Desiree Thompson.
It's a little bit shocking that it actually was not her husband. It's a totally different suspect.
Smith says an acquaintance told her Desiree had gone to the Cactus Mini Mart in Cal City to buy cigarettes after she had been in an argument with her estranged husband that evening, but never came home.
She was started dealing with the abuse, physical, mental, emotional. They're 100% sure that her husband, Edward, had nothing whatsoever. There's absolutely no connection to him in this case.
The California City Police Department has been investigating ever since. And according to the offense report, in January of this year, someone who claimed to be a past friend of Lara's notified the California City Police Department that Lara had confessed to killing a black woman in 2012 and burying her body in the backyard of his house. At that time, Lara lived at a home on 86th Street in California City. According to the informant in the offense report, Lara had gotten into an argument at a party that night and waited outside to get revenge. Lara allegedly approached individuals he was looking for, but it turned out to be a woman, and he invited her over for beer. The informant adds that when they got to his house, he smashed her head into the refrigerator and stabbed her multiple times.
I don't know if he looked at her as prey or at some time did something went wrong during the encounter between him and her. I don't know.
According to the offense report, the California City Police Department obtained a search warrant for the house at 86th Street. Lara no longer lives there, but authorities got permission from the home's current residents. Investigators later found human remains in the backyard, blood spots on the concrete underneath the carpet, clothing, hair, and other items.
They said there's a lot of credible evidence. They're pretty sure this could be her. But like I said, they can't confirm or deny anything at this point until the DNA is done.
Smith says all they can do now is wait, but she is grateful for law enforcement's help.
It's not the way I wanted to bring my daughter home, but I can finally bring her home and she can be home with us. And we can finally move forward with the justice.
Lara is scheduled back in court for a preliminary hearing on May 6th. Live in studio, Taylor Levesque, 23 ABC, connecting you.